Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to upload a template into Google Classroom, and we're going to create an assignment so that every student gets their own copy of the template. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Robin Sneed, high school English teacher and instructional coach. Recently, I assigned a research paper. Because I created a template for the research paper and asked all of my students to work on that template, I didn't have to wait for students to turn in the assignment. I had several who failed to turn in the assignment, but I was still able to grade it. I am in my class, and what I want to do is go to Classwork to create this assignment. Now I'm going to click Create. I want to create an assignment, and now I am going to give my assignment a title, instructions, and a due date. Now that all of this is complete, we are going to click here to add a Google Drive file. Then here you are going to search for the document that you want, and then select the document and click Insert. Once your template is attached, what you're going to do is go here and use the drop-down arrow to make a copy for each student. And now every student will have their own copy of the template. Now I see that my assignment is on my assignment page. If I click on Grades, then I can see the assignment is here, but the students have not submitted the work yet. So I can click here and click on View Submission. And this allows me to see how much of the work the student actually has done. So my students' final research papers were actually due in my actual class about 2 weeks ago. And I had quite a few students who, for whatever reason, never hit the submit button, only did half of the assignment. I was able to grade the part of the assignment that they actually did because I didn't have to wait for them to share the document with me. If you found this video useful, give me a like, don't forget to subscribe, and ring the bell so that you'll be notified for future videos. See you soon.